people see it that way, but this is how I like to describe options. So let's say, for instance, you go to the casino. Now, I know a lot of people know about the casino, right? One of the games that I like to play is craps. So with craps, think about it this way. You have your point, okay? So you roll the dice, whatever you roll first, you have your point. That's like having your main stock. So that's Apple, that's Google, that's Nvidia, that's Microsoft, whatever. Now, you also have other ways to be able to bet while you're still rolling. So your point stays there, but then you have these other options. You see how I did that? Other options that you can play on. What are those options? That's AC Doocy, that's 10 of 4, that's Yo, don't get me started, that's my game now. But yeah, those are ways that we're able to make additional funds while we're actually playing the game. Now, think about this. Craps is the only game in the casino that you can actually bet with the casino. I bet you most of y'all didn't know that. Y'all better get on that crap table and get off that roulette table. It's a scam. So that's one of the ways that I like to explain options to people who are just kind of getting in the game.